In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Google Chrome Incognito Mode shortcut in Windows 11 taskbar. To begin, go to your Windows 11 desktop. Make sure you are clicking on an empty area, not on an icon, folder, or open window. Once you are on a blank space on the desktop, right-click to open the desktop context menu. In that menu, move your pointer over New and then select Shortcut. Now you are going to add the target path for Google Chrome. In the location box, enter the Chrome application path, followed by the incognito command. The full text should be entered exactly like this: !C:\program files \Google \Chrome \application \Chrome.exe !space -incognito. Written out as a command, it is CLLZ program tokens name files Google Chrome application Chrome.exe minst #quate but name files Chrome application cobs.quate tons.quate the same incognito. The space before -incognito is also important because it tells Windows that incognito mode is a separate launch option for Chrome. After you have entered the path, take a moment to check it carefully. When everything looks correct, click Next. For the shortcut name, type something clear and easy to recognize, such as Chrome Incognito. You can use another simple name if you prefer, but it should make it obvious that this shortcut opens incognito mode. Once the name is entered, click Finish. Next, you will pin this shortcut to the taskbar. Right-click the new desktop shortcut. In Windows 11, the first context menu may show a shorter list of options. If you do not see the option to pin it right away, select Show More Options. You can also press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard to open the expanded context menu. In the expanded menu, look for Pin to Taskbar and click it. Once you select that option, Windows will add the shortcut to your taskbar. You should now see a Chrome icon on the taskbar that is connected to your incognito shortcut. When you click that pinned icon, Chrome should open directly in incognito mode, saving you the extra step of opening a normal browser window first. That covers everything you need to know.